The 4-1 Kansas City Chiefs host the 3-2 Houston Texans on Sunday afternoon at Arrowhead Stadium. Here are 6 stats to know for this matchup, presented by Bad Boy Mowers. The Chiefs are looking to get healthy after missing 8 of their main contributors, 4 on each side of the ball, for most, if not all, of their game last Sunday against the Indianapolis Colts. And last week, their top receiver in Tyreek Hill returned to practice in a limited capacity after suffering an injury in Week 1 against the Jaguars. It's undetermined if Hill will be able to go this week, but one of the league's most explosive playmakers would be a welcome sight for an offense that was held to its lowest point total in the last 30 games in the loss to the Colts on Sunday. Although Patrick Mahomes did set another NFL record on Sunday, raising his passing yards total to 1,831 this season without an interception, which surpassed the previous record that was held by Peyton Manning. And the Chiefs might need to put up some points as they face a red-hot Texans offense that put up 53 last week against the Falcons, while quarterback Deshaun Watson threw for 426 yards and 5 scores, with his top target last week being Will Fuller. The former Notre Dame speedster finished that game with 14 receptions for 217 yards and 3 touchdowns. And if the Chiefs are to have success against the Texans, the plan, as per normal, would be to get pressure on the quarterback. And based on the numbers, that could happen this week as Watson has already been sacked 18 times this season, which ranks among the most in the league. And to go one step further, thanks to our friends at Pro Football Focus, Watson stays in the pocket on average for 2.97 seconds, which is the 3rd longest in the NFL. He gives your defensive front a chance to get home as he waits for the routes to develop down the field. Now, Watson's worst statistical game of the year came against Ron Rivera and the Carolina Panthers, who kept him to just 160 yards passing and sacked him 6 times. The Texans finished with just 10 points that day and left with one of their 2 losses of the season. And considering Rivera and Steve Spagnuolo, the Chiefs' defensive coordinator, spent 4 years together on the Eagles staff under Andy Reid, that could be a reason for optimism. The Chiefs would be looking to get off to a good start, something that all teams do and something the Chiefs have done well with this season, scoring a league-high 97 points in the first half of their games, while the Texans have been more of a second-half team, scoring nearly double the amount of points in the second half compared to the first, ranking second in the league in second-half scoring with 85 points. It'll be the 6th meeting between the Chiefs and Texans under Andy Reid, who was 4-1 in the previous 5 meetings.